Hello guys, have a good day. In this video we are going to prepare an LG 10 kilograms washing machine. So the problem is the water will not drain during rains. So let's check first and let's find out the solution. So this is the on and off button, and this is the pins and start. Supposed to be the water will automatically comes out from the drain hose, but water doesn't comes out. So in this situation, I'm suspecting that the problem is the motor drain. So let's check underneath and replace the motor drain. This is how it look like. This is the suspecting that this is a problem, because supposed to be it will pull up this drain mechanism here, but I didn't hear any noise that this lever should be moving upward. So by the way, I have a spare here in the same. So let's remove this and replace with the new spare that I have, and after that let's see what is the effect. So there are 3 bolts here. Just unscrew, then after that remove this connector and plug the new one. Okay, so let's get started now. Okay, it was already unscrewed, and let's remove the lever here so that we can freely replace with the new spare that we have. So this is the water drain motor that we removed, and this is the spare that we are going to connect. Let's install it and see afterward. So at this moment we already put the screws, and let's put the connector. Okay, it's done, and it's time for us to test. Now let us test after replacing the motor drain. So let's push the on and off button and pins, and after that start. Please observe what happens. Now it's working fine. The water is coming out. So compared a while ago, the water doesn't come out because the water drain motor has a problem. Now it's working in normal condition. So that is how easy to repair if your washing machine has a problem of water not coming out from the drain hose. So this is the water drain motor that we had replaced. So the problem of this is it's either the gear mechanism inside or the electronic components